Hi guys, it's Fanny. Welcome back to Creation by Favi. Today I have a quick and easy DIY for you. So let's start with the materials. We're going to use a rolling pin, a recycle can from cookies, the small one, a cake pan, and also a pie pan from dollar store. I also will need some chalk paint that I bought it from Walmart a while ago. I used those from another previous DIY, and some Gorilla Glue, and these eggs from Easter, and a sword. Also we need something to measure. So let's get started. So I started measuring my rolling pin in 3 different sizes, and the first size was 3 inches, the second one 4 inches, and the third 5 inches. Then I used my saw and I cut the 3 pieces. So then I used the wax or any paint, like I mentioned it before, that you had in hand, to paint my pieces, and also the Easter egg. But before I start painting that, I decided to cut a little bit the eggs because I don't want it too long. So here I was trying to finish with the wood, and then I was trying to paint the egg. Then I realized that didn't work the way I want. So just ignore that part. And in painting the egg with the chalk paint, the same is we're going to paint the tray. So when you're done with that, we have something like that. I think this color is absolutely beautiful, and we're going to use our Gorilla Glue, and we're going to start gluing everything together, and also we're going to use the hot glue at the same time. So first I started with the Gorilla Glue, and then I applied the hot glue. Now I'm going to be placing on the center of my pine tray, just like so. Now I'm going to be repeating the same step with the other 2 pins. So here I was gluing the last piece of wood, which is my top of my tray, and then I'm going to try to glue the egg on top. And then I realized that I didn't like it and I didn't glue it. So now I will be using the wax, and I'm going to be tapping around the edges, just to give you a rustic look to the tray. Just like so. And when you're done with that, we basically done. So here's the end result. I think it turned out really beautiful. I really love it. So I really hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for being patient. So and if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe and be part of this family. So see you guys next time. Bye bye.